Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am making a bow hair clip using fabric. For this I have taken a 25 into 18 centimeter piece of fabric. Fold the fabric as shown. And you can pin it in place. Fold it into half and mark using a chalk or a pen. Draw a line. Next, fold the fabric as shown from both the sides and pin it in place. We are going to sew in the middle. If you are making many bow hair clips, you can pin this like this and stitch later on. You can also machine stitch this. Here I am going to hand sew this using a thread and needle. We can stitch basic long stitches here. And then fold the cloth as shown to make a bow. Tie it tightly as shown. And put a couple of knots at the back. Now I have taken some alligator clips. Take one hair clip and apply a strong glue. Stick this to the bow as shown. Next, take a small piece of fabric of dimension 18 into 4 centimeter. Fold and glue it as shown and stick it to the bow. Finally, our bow hair clip is ready. In the same way, we can make bow using different fabrics. So I hope you all like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.